Today I'm going to be reviewing Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Video Pad. I want to thank Chamberlain for sending this to me to review. This is what you get in the package. This is the camera. It's pretty substantial, 5.6 ounces. Now, normally, and I took off the back so I can get the battery out, if you just set this up against the wall, you get a 20-degree view. But if you use the swivel mount, you're going to get 100 degrees. So you're going to see more of your driveway. Here is the battery. And just so you know, that's how you charge it. So you take it out of there, and it does come with a cord right here to charge it. So very easy, a few things to mount it if you need that. But overall, really cool. And what's nice is it comes with an app, and they have other cameras for your house, the garage here, your door, bunch of different items. So if you want to have one company that's reasonably priced, MyQ does really well, and they have everything that you need for around the house. This sold 500 plus last month, October 2025, so it does really well. It gets 4.4 stars, which is my minimum I like to see, so it did get that. It's just another camera to have around your house to keep your kids safe, keep you safe. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.